Good day everyone, I'm Abigail Dirondang from BTLEIA 3A. Today we will discuss about automotive tools and equipment. Combination pliers are most often used in car workshops because they have multiple purposes. The jaw of the pliers contains a flat and serrated holding hole and a wire cutting blade. The flat part keeps the objects flat and the jagged ones hold the rounded objects. The first one is pliers. May iba't ibang type ng pliers combination. Ito yung pagputol ng mga wire sa loob ng makina. Dapat tama yung mga pliers na gagamitin natin para hindi magka-problema yung makina natin. The second one is vice grip. Removing rounded nuts and bolts. Have a strip nut or bolt stuck somewhere it shouldn't be. Use a vice grip to apply enough force to pull it out. Ang kadalasang use ng vice grip is panghawak ng mga nuts, bolts, screw at iba pa. Pwede din itong paghigpit ng hose clamps o mga terminal connectors. Pang-alis din ito ng mga nasisirang parts ng makina tulad ng sirang bolt mula sa cylinder head. The next one is hydraulic floor jack. A hydraulic floor jack is a powerful lifting tool that uses hydraulic pressure to raise vehicles off the ground. Itong hydraulic floor jack ay hindi ginagamit sa loob ng car engine. Ginagamit ito pang angat ng buong sasakyan para mapadaling ayusin yung sa may ilalim na part ng sasakyan. The next one is vehicle lift. A vehicle lift is a hydraulic or electric powered platform used to raise cars off the ground for easier access during repairs and maintenance. Ito naman ay kadalasang makikita natin sa may talyer. Ito yung pangtaas ng buong sasakyan para mas makita at mas maayos yung sa babang part ng cars. And this one is air compressor. An air compressor is a machine that converts power into compressed air, which is used to operate pneumatic tools, inflate tires, and clean surface. Ito namang tool na to is yung parang pambomba ng gulong para tumigas yung gulong ng sasakyan. Pwede din itong gamitin sa mga ibang part, panglinis sa spark plugs, injectors at iba pang part ng sasakyan. Torque wrench. A torque wrench is a precision tool that allows for the application of a specific torque to a fastener. It ensures the fastener is tightened to the correct level, preventing over-tightening or damage. Itong tools na to ay pag-ayos ng makina ng sasakyan. Hindi ito ginagamit sa pag-ikot at pagtanggal ng mga nuts at bolts. Pag mali yung paghigpit natin is pwede siyang makasira ng ibang part ng makina. The next one is the spark plug socket. A spark plug socket is a specialized tool designed to fit over and remove spark plugs from an engine. It has a rubber insert to hold the spark plug securely and prevent damage. Ito naman ay ang pangtanggal at pang-install ng spark plugs sa car engines. Allen wrenches. Allen wrenches, also known as hex keys, are small L-shaped tools with a hexagonal cross-section at the working end. They are used to drive screws and bolts with a hexagonal socket, commonly found in furniture assembly and machinery. Itong Allen wrenches, ginagamit ito sa car engine para paikutin yung mga hexagonal head, screw, and bolts. This one is combination wrench. Combination wrenches combine the benefits of box wrenches and open-end wrenches. Side is a closed loop for hexagonal or square nuts. This tool is pwedeng pang-install ng mga nuts at bolts. Ginagamit ang open end ng wrench upang mag-grip ang nut o bolt at ang box end naman upang ma-apply ang torque ng mas mahigpit. The next one is funnel. A funnel is a tool with a wide opening at the top and a narrow spout at the bottom, designed for transferring liquids without spills. It's commonly used for pouring fluids like oil, coolant, and gasoline into containers. Ginagamit ito paglagay ng mga oil tulad ng ng gas, langis, coolant sa may tangke. Ito yung tinatawag nilang embudo. This one is oil drain and oil caddy. An oil drain and caddy is a container used to collect used engine oil during an oil change. It often features wheels and a spout to make disposal easier and cleaner. Ang oil drain ay pang-alis ng mga oil na nagamit na mula sa engine. Ang oil caddy naman ay isang lalagyan na ginagamit upang saluhin yung mga ginagamit na oil na inalis sa engine. This one is OBD2 scanner, a portable electronic device that taps into your vehicle's computer system to detect issues and provide you with diagnostic codes. Ito naman is ginagamit siya upang basahin ang mga diagnostic trouble codes mula sa sasakyan. The next one is tire changer. Tire changer is a machine used to help tire technicians dismount and mount tires with automobile wheels. Ginagamit ito sa pangtanggal at pang-install ng mga gulong sa mga rims ng sasakyan. This one is impact wrench. Impact wrenches are therefore used wherever strong rotational movements are required, such as tire change, loosening of wheel, bolts and nuts, metal construction, screwing long-threaded screws into metal. Ang impact wrench ay ginagamit para paikutin yung mga nuts and bolts ng mabilis at madali. Ginagamit ito sa paglagay at pagtanggal ng nuts. Parang screwdriver ito pero automatic siya. This one is oil filter wrench. Helps remove and install oil filters easily. Oil filter wrench ay ginagamit sa pagtanggal at pag-install ng oil filter sa sasakyan nang aalis ito ng nagamit na oil engine. This one is tire gauge. Driving on overinflated or underinflated tires can result in damage to the tire or vehicle. A tire gauge checks the air pressure in tires. Ito naman is ginagamit sa pagsukat ng hangin sa may gulong ng sasakyan. The next one is lug wrench. A lug wrench, also colloquially known as a tire iron, is the name for a type of socket wrench used to loosen and tighten lug nuts on automobile wheels. Ginagamit ito sa pagtanggal at pag-install ng mga lug nuts na nakakabit sa may gulong ng sasakyan. The other one is ECU programming tool. Reprograms or updates vehicles' electronic control units. Ang ECU ay ginagamit para baguhin yung software ng engine control unit ng isang sasakyan at kumukontrol sa iba't ibang function ng makina tulad ng pag-aapoy, fuel injections, and emissions. The other one is paint stripper. Removes old paint layers before repainting. Ito ay kadalasan ginagamit para sa alisin yung dating pintura ng sasakyan para pinturahan ito ng panibago. This one is tool chest and cabinet. Organizes and stores tools securely. Dito nilalagay yung mga tools para naka-organize yung mga need na gamitin at para hindi mahirapang maghanap kung sakali man ito'y gagamitin na. Cordless drill. Used for drilling holes and driving screws quickly. And the other one is grease gun. Applies lubrications to moving parts like ball joints. And zip ties. Secures loose wires and hoses. And last but not the least, the WD-40 or penetrating oil. Loosens rusted bolts and lubricates parts. Yung mga nangangalawang na mga tornilyo, ito yung ginagamit para ma-loose and ma-lubricate at madaling maalis. And that's for all. Thank you and mabuhay.